Ndị Igbo ekele m unu. Ndị YouTubers m ekele m unu. In our previous episode, we talked about what the LG is and what it signifies among the Igbo, the way it is being broken, and we've also talked about the importance of orgy and how it is eaten and how it is broken. Today we're going to talk about the significance of each pieces of a kola nut, whichever way it is broken, the taboos surrounding the breaking of kola nut, orgy, and other things that orgy is used for. And then we're also going to talk about the types of orgy.
Kolanut is one tradition that binds all Igbo together, and the kolanut does not understand English, so whatever way you're going to use to break it, or whatever prayers, you should use Igbo and not English. Orgy is very important in the Igbo land because this piece of kolanut symbolizes peace, unity, reconciliation, integrity, represents life. It symbolizes hospitality, goodwill, and kindness. So it's used for a variety of events, mostly for welcoming guests to a home or a village. And then the use of the kolanut also depends on the ceremony on which it is being used, in traditional weddings and so on. So it makes visitors feel ensured that they are welcome. So the other things we use the kolanut for are: we use the kolanut to foretell or forecast the future. We use it for oath taking, for sacrifice, or to swear. We use it to plead. That's one of the first things. Most times, if a man wants to go and ask for a lady's hand in marriage, that's the first thing he brings to his in-laws' house. We use it to settle disputes. Sometimes, if someone's having a ceremony, you can bring it as gift. It's also used as sleep depressants for security men, night drivers, travelers, night readers, or workers. The taboos, the taboos surrounding the kola nut. Women are not allowed to climb a kola nut tree. Women are not allowed to break kola nuts where a man is. A woman is not allowed to pray on kola nuts or do invocations on kola nuts where a man is in that gathering. Where there's a gathering of women and there is no male among them, even if it's just a small boy, the boy will be the one to break the kola nut. Women are not allowed to break the kola nut, except there is a woman, a female there, who already has a title, a chieftaincy title. She will be the one, and the eldest women among them will be the one to break the kola nut. So a woman also is not allowed to bring out kola nuts by herself with her hands to a visitor where her husband is around, or her brother-in-law, or a man is in the house. Kola nut is not also broken when there's a burial, and we don't break kola nut at night, so there won't be misunderstanding. Sometimes, or in some places, ogo, that's in-laws, are not allowed to break kola nuts. So if you want to give on someone else's kola nuts, that's if you literally go to an occasion and then you put the piece of kola nuts in your pocket and you are bringing it out to share with someone, you have to bite the kola nut first before you give it to the person. That's to show that the kola nut is pure.
Sometimes orgy can come in 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 lobes. Any kola nut that does not have lobe, we usually say it's a deaf kola nut. It is not eaten. So whichever lobes the kola nut comes into or is broken into has its own significance. When it's 3, comes in 3, it represents a hero and it symbolizes long life, fertility, and wealth. When the kola nut has 6 to 7 lobes, it represents good luck, fertility, and a good niche. And if the kola nut has 4, represents the 4 market days in Igbo land. And if it has 5 lobes, it's usually said that the one who breaks the kola nut has a very great benefit.
So to the Igbos, there are 2 types of kola nut.
there's the wine or red color type of one, and then there's the one that is called champion kola, ojiuko champion kola. It's cream colored and it's highly valued. So it's mostly, if you present this kind of kola nut, it signifies that you have a very, very pure heart towards whoever you are presenting the kola is. And if a dibia also presents or brings out ojiuko during his sacrifice, that means that sacrifice is a very, very pure one. The ojiuko also is broken normally the way the other oji are also broken. So all these are the benefits, the uses, and everything about Igbo and oji. I hope you enjoyed the episodes. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, and like our video. Thank you.